Blockchain is a technology that is poised to show a new way to conducting business that will change everyday life for the better. Blockchain empower group of institutions to achieve better outcomes by creating new growth opportunities that together are greater than the feats that any single member could achieve alone. Blockchain makes it possible to reimagine many of the world's most fundamental business interactions and opens the door to new style of digital interactions. It is now regularly showing its potential to vastly reduce the cost and complexity of getting things done across industries, government and social institutions. Most people who have heard of blockchain associate it with the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Although they are related, these two concepts are not the same. The potential uses for blockchain are far broader than the application for cryptocurrency. Also, whereas the Bitcoin network operates on permissionless membership principle and extended anonymity, and permissioned blockchain network governs its membership with known entities. So there are two things, one is permissionless and another one is permission. Permissionless is something where you don't need to take any permissions to do any kind of transactions, but in the other case permissioned is something where to come into the network itself you need some kind of permission. In the end, there are some rules and regulations to join that particular group is known as permissioned, but when there is no rule and regulations to join any kind of group is permissionless. The full benefits of blockchain will be realized when you see the real use cases in different industry. Use cases are evolving day by day. If I want to explain you in the technical format, I can say that a blockchain is nothing but a data structure that makes it possible to create a digital ledger of data and share it among a network of independent parties. Why I am saying that independent parties? Because every peer on the network perform as a different node, a different party. Now you can control the way these parties are joining the network. Okay, that's why the categorization of blockchain are in three format: public, private and consortium. Each type uses cryptographic to allow each participant on any given network to manage the ledger securely without the need for any central authority to enforce the rule. So there are things, every party comes to a conclusion to follow some kind of rules and regulations, and they will follow that independent of each another. So anonymously they will follow up the rule, and someone who is not following that particular rule, they will reject that particular transaction. So there are policies already defined. The removal of central authority from database structure is one of the most important and influential aspect of blockchain. So we have to understand this. Whenever we are talking about removing any centralized authority from the picture, we are making it decentralized. And our target with this podcast is to understand and build the decentralized behavior in people. So this is it for our first podcast. I recommend you to follow up this particular podcast for more.